Sorry guys. After our recognition, Mommy, diba sa ano may arcade dito?
Sami. Pero kain muna tayo ha. Hindi
Yeah,
ako kapag-isip eh.
Ayun siya.
Sa appetizer na lang po natin. You can start with our system.
It's
And for drinks meron po tayo. Post pizza.
the recognition is done, and I love my hair. I wanna put this for 3 months, or maybe 1 year. I love this hairstyle. But when I put it back, does it look good in the front? Or does it look good like this? Or does it look good like this? Or does it look good like this? What is like is in the front? I'm so weird. I think I want this.
Ito.
We're at the mall in SM. We're gonna eat that. Oh my gosh, I can't stop my hair. Look my hair. After graduation, guys. Hi, I'm Samira and this is mine.
Sino gusto ng fried chicken? Ito. Ayaw? Fried chicken.
Samira and Lakshman are very true.
Sino
Obedience.
gusto nito?
Mommy, what's my number? Sa cellphone ko. Anong number ko, ma?
Ano number? Wala kang number.
Then why do I have a phone?
Ito na yun. Order tayo ng ganito. May ano sa, may soup or
I
salad.
want this forever.
Tapos may may ulam na. Tapos may drinks.
I think I want this.